Unit 3, Flower to Flower. Hi everyone, good morning to all of you. So today we are going to deal with yet another interesting topic from the lesson Flower to Flower. So are you ready for it? Yes. So today's topic is withering petals. We know that after fertilization, the flower develops into fruit and seeds. It is the ovary which develops into fruits and ovules develop into seeds. Right? Yes. And after it develops into fruit, there will be certain changes happening to other parts of a flower. Which are the parts of the flower? Androecium, gynoecium, calyx, corolla, thalamus, pedicel. These are the parts of the flower. So what happens to them? The pedicel, thalamus and calyx, it becomes very hard. And the corolla, which is otherwise known as the petals, it starts to withers. That means it becomes weak and it starts to fall off. So this is what is happening when the flower develops into fruits. Now the next one is about the types of fruits. Simple fruit, aggregate fruit, false fruit and multiple fruit. So first we can see about simple fruit. We all know that the ovary part develops into flower and ovules develop into seeds. Right? Yes. So a condition in which a fruit is developed from a single flower is called simple fruit. And the examples are mango, tomato, pumpkin, bitter gourd, lady's finger, date and many more are there. Now can you say children, how many seeds does a mango contain? Exactly, it contains one seed. What about tomato? When you open the tomato, what can you see? Is there only one seed or many? Exactly, it consists of many seeds. This is because it's a process where carpel is the female part of the plant. Okay, carpel, other name is gynoecium. Okay, so it consists of style, stigma and ovary. It's same, another name for gynoecium. Many carpels. In some flowers, there will be many carpels so that they all fuse together, they all join together and it forms a fruit from it. So many carpels are forming so that the ovaries also will be many. So these ovaries will have lots of seeds. So that is why tomato, pumpkin, bitter gourd, lady's finger is having lots of seeds. Clear? So this is about simple fruit. Now next one is about aggregate fruits. In certain flowers like frangipani and many others will have more than one ovary, so that more than one fruit will be produced from a single flower. So such fruit is called aggregate fruit. From a single flower, more than one fruit is developed. Example, custard apple, blackberry and polyethyl fruit. These are the examples of aggregate fruits. Next one is about false fruits. Here, the ovary and the ovules have no role. In certain flowers, the other parts of the flower like the pedicel and thalamus will develop into a fruit-like structures, and that is called false fruits. Example, cashew nut, cashew apple. These are the examples of false fruits. So here the ovary and ovules have no part. Pedicel and thalamus is developing into fruit-like structures. Clear? Now next one is multiple fruit. Do you know a jackfruit? Have you seen that, children? Yes. Have you opened it? Yes. So in the jackfruit, the flowers, there is an arrangement for the flowers. They are arranged on a stalk. Okay. So that arrangement is called inflorescence. The arrangement of flowers on a stalk, on a single branch, on a stalk is called inflorescence. There will be hundreds of flowers in the jackfruit. So the seed of the jackfruit is called chakkakuru. Okay? And the flower, the fruit is called chakkachola. Since there are hundreds of flowers, okay, some flowers, there are chances for some flowers which may not be fertilized. They will remain as unfertilized. So they are called chakkachavani. Okay. So what happens that unfertilized flowers, they all are packed in a common covering as a single fruit, and that is called multiple fruits. The flowers which get fertilized will develop into fruits and seeds. But the unfertilized flowers, what happens? Because the flowers are arranged in a single arrangement. So they are all packed in a common covering as a single fruit, and that is called multiple fruit. So these are the various types of fruits: simple fruit, aggregate fruit, false fruit, and multiple fruits. So today we have discussed about the withering petals, what happens when a flower changes into a fruit and a seed. Then we dealt with the different types of fruits. Okay? Yes. So hope you have understood this. Clear? Very good. So this is for today. So thank you. See children, in your textbook there is a question. Examine the figures given below and find out the right statement related to each fruit. So that is given in your textbook. So for first one, strawberry, the correct answer is strawberry is having more than one ovary in a flower. And chili, flowers are seen one by one. And arcanut, flowers are seen as inflorescence. So this is the correct answer. You have to write it in the textbook itself. Okay children, is it clear? Okay. Children, next one is let us assess from your textbook. Can you see the picture children? It is the picture of a bitter gourd. So what inference can be made about bitter gourd flower? So here in the bitter gourd, both the male part and the female part, that is androecium and gynoecium, are present in the same flower, and this gynoecium will later develop into fruits and seeds. So that is what we can know about the bitter gourd. Now next one is that we told in the withering of petals that the petals wither and fall down after fertilization, and the pedicel, thalamus, calyx become strong. For what reason it is? Because to support the seeds. After fertilization, the ovary becomes fruits and ovules become seeds. So after fertilization, to protect the seeds, this pedicel, thalamus thalamus, calyx, and all are becoming strong. For their protection, they are becoming strong. Okay, children, is it clear to all of you? Okay, thank you.